This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Femoston 2/10 tablet effectively addresses menopausal symptoms and helps prevent osteoporosis. It is essential for improving the quality of life in postmenopausal women. Indications and uses. This medication is primarily indicated for postmenopausal women experiencing menopausal symptoms such as hot flushes, sleep disturbances, irritability, and depression. Additionally, it is used to prevent osteoporosis in women who are at risk of bone loss and fragility, making it a crucial part of managing health during and after menopause. How it works. Femoston 2/10 works by supplementing the body with adequate levels of estrogen and progesterone, effectively managing problems associated with hormonal deficiencies during menopause. Directions for use. Take the medication strictly as prescribed by your healthcare professional. Swallow the tablet whole with a glass of water without crushing or chewing it. It is advisable to take it at the same time each day to maintain consistent hormone levels in your body. Never skip a dose, as this may reduce its effectiveness, and if a dose is missed, take it as soon as possible but do not double up to compensate for a missed dosage. Possible side effects. Possible side effects may include stomach pain, back pain, breast tenderness, headaches, and vaginal infections. It is important to consult a healthcare provider if these symptoms worsen. Precautions and warnings. Before starting this medication, it is crucial to inform your doctor about any existing health conditions, especially those related to breast cancer, heart disease, or blood clots. Regular monitoring is necessary to minimize risks and ensure effective treatment. FAQs. 1. What is the use of this medication? It is used to relieve menopausal symptoms and help prevent osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. 2. Can I stop taking it once symptoms improve? No, do not stop unless advised by your doctor. 3. Are there side effects? Yes, common side effects include stomach pain and headaches. 4. Is it safe during pregnancy? No, it is not intended for use in pregnant women. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is valuable to us.